Honda Motorcycles India have launched a new line of accessories to spice up their H'ness and CB350 RS range. Here's one of the first accessory kits that Honda is offering. It's called the Cafe Racer. It has a front headlamp cowl, liveries on the tank, and a rear seat cowl. Here's the comfort accessory pack from Honda. You get a visor up front, a knuckle guard, much more comfortable seats with more cushioning, and a rear seat passenger backrest. Just like the blue Cafe Racer that we saw, here's the same Cafe Racer accessory pack for the CB350 RS model in this stunning red color. And you get the same front headlamp cowl as well as the rear seat cowl. Here's another accessory pack for the CB350 RS. It's called the SUV accessory kit, and you get a front visor over here and knuckle guards. Here's the last accessory pack that Honda is offering for the H'ness. It's called the Solo Carrier, and up front you get a visor, but you get a plush single seat and a carrier rack at the back for your luggage for those long solo trips. Now that you've seen all 6 custom accessory packs from Honda for the CB350 H'ness as well as the CB350 RS, let us know in the comments which one caught your eye.